Question 14. A shop sells compost in 20-litre bags and in 40-litre bags. One day the shop had two special offers for the compost. Okay, now the 20-litre bags, here you can get 2 bags for £3.50. And the 40-litre bags, you can get 3 of those for £9. Which offer is better value for money? You must show how you got your answer. Right, top tip, split your screen in two, or split your page in two. Okay, let's do the 20-litre stuff on the left-hand side. So I get 20-litre bags, right? 2 bags, well that's 40 litres for £3.50. Oh, okay. I wonder how much 1 litre is then. So 1 litre, if I do £3.50 divided by 40, I'm going to get the cost in for 1 litre. Well, looking at my answer, I'm wishing I worked in pence. So I'm going to do 350 divided by 40. And so that is 8.75 pence for 1 litre. Okay, let's look at the 40-litre offer. 40-litre bags. Get 3 bags. Well, that's going to be 120 litres, isn't it? For £9. Remember, I said I work in pence, so for 900 pennies, right? 900 pence. So if 120 litres cost 900 pence, then 1 litre costs 900 divided by 120. 1 litre costs 7.5 pence. Oh, well, that's cheaper, isn't it, than 1 litre costing 8.75 pence. So, what's the question? Which offer is the better value for money? Answer, better value 40 litres. There we go. That's question 14. Question 15. The length of a plane is 19.2 metres. So I think that's quite long, isn't it? 19.2 metres. Right? Lucas buys a scale model of the plane. The scale of the model is 1 to 24. Work out the length of the scale model of the plane. Okay, give your answer in centimetres. Right. So I've got a real life plane. Here it is. Okay. There's the plane. Right. Very good drawing. Here's the front of the plane. Okay. All right. And now, the length of the plane. Okay. So the length. So that's all the way along here, isn't it? Is 19.2 meters. I'm going to turn that into centimeters, I think. So I'm going to multiply it by 100. So it's that many centimeters long, the plane. The reason I worked in centimeters, because it wants my answer in centimeters, doesn't it? Okay. Now the model is going to be 1/24th of that length. So to work out the length of the model, if it's a scale of 1 to 24, then I need to know 1 centimetre on the model would be 24 centimetres in real life. I've got something which is that many centimetres in real life, haven't I? Okay, so I'm going to need to divide by 24, aren't I, to get to there. So 1,920 divided by 24. Let's have a look. 1920 divided by 24 tells me that my model would be 80 centimetres long. Question 15. A man invests 4,500 in a savings account for 3 years. The account pays simple interest at a rate of 1.8 per year. Work out the total amount of interest at the end of the 3 years. Well, each year you get 1.8% of 4,500. Let's work out what that is. Let's do what it says. 1.8% times 4,500. So I'm going to type 1.8 divided by 100 equals, and times that by 4,500. Oh, every year you get £81 interest. And of course, we've got 3 years, haven't we? 81 times 3 for the total amount of interest gives me a total amount of interest of £243. Let's do question 17. Look at this. Look at this diagram here. I've got some isosceles triangles, I think. Let's have a look. ABC is a straight line. Okay, yep, there it is. It looks straight to me. AB, that's this one, equals BC, that's that one, equals BD. Okay, I have got some isosceles triangles. Angle DAB is 64. Yes, it is. Work out the size of the angle marked X. Give a reason for each stage of your working. Right, well, let's work out what we can, shall we? Now, if this is 64 and this one is an isosceles, then this angle here is 64. So that is angle ADB equals 64 because it is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Then I can now work out this angle here, can't I? Because I can do ABD equals 180 minus 64 minus 64, and that's because there are 180 degrees in a triangle. So that gives me that angle, 180 minus 64 minus 64, gives me 52 for that angle. Okay. Now what can I work out next? Oh, look. I can work out this angle, which is, I'll do it in red just to make it clear for you. So that's DBC. DBC, well, that's 180 minus 52 because it's a straight line, isn't it? Straight line. So it adds up to 180 degrees. So that gives me 180 minus 52, gives me 128. Okay, so that's 128. And now, this triangle is isosceles, isn't it? So x is going to be half the degrees left, isn't it? So x is going to be 180 minus 128 divided by 2 because it's an isosceles triangle. And that is 180 minus 128 equals, divided by 2 equals 26 degrees. So there is my answer for question 17.